What if you could get a smartphone that's sleek, powerful, and built like a tank? The Oppo Reno 13 just dropped, and it's packing flagship-level features: a 50MP selfie camera, a smooth 120Hz AMOLED display, and a powerful Dimensity 8350 chip. But the real question is it worth your money? Let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense. Design build. How premium does it feel? The moment you pick up the Oppo Reno 13, you'll notice how lightweight yet premium it feels. At 181G and just 7.2mm thin, it's super comfortable to hold. But here's the real game changer: it's IP68/IP69 certified, meaning it's dustproof, water-resistant, and even survives high-pressure water jet. And if you're worried about drops, don't be. The Gorilla Glass 7i front and back with an aluminum frame make it tough but stylish. It's available in plume white, luminous blue, black, purple, and blue, giving you plenty of choices. Display. How good does it look? Now, let's talk about that 6.59-inch AMOLED display. Right away, you'll notice the 1B colors, HDR10 support, and a peak brightness of 1200 nits. What does that mean for everyday use? Scrolling through social media. Super smooth, thanks to the 120Hz refresh rate. Watching YouTube or Netflix? Deep blacks and vibrant colors make everything pop. Outdoor visibility? Bright enough to handle sunlight with ease. Plus, with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i protection, it's scratch-resistant and durable. Performance, fast or just okay? Inside, the MediaTek Dimensity 8350, 4nm, processor is doing all the heavy lifting. And with storage options ranging from 128GB to a massive 1TB paired with up to 16GB RAM, this thing flies. Multitasking? No problem. Gaming? The Mali G615MC6 GPU handles high-end games smoothly. Daily performance? No stutters, no lags, just fluid performance. And since it runs Android 15 with ColorOS 15, you're getting the latest software experience with tons of customization options. Cameras? Can it capture stunning shots? Alright, let's flip the phone around and check out the triple camera setup. 50MP main camera takes sharp, detailed shots, even in low light. Thanks to OIS, optical image stabilization, the 8MP ultra-wide captures a wider field of view, great for group shots or landscapes. 2MP depth sensor helps with portrait shots, adding a nice blur effect to the background. Video? 4K at 60 frames per second, with Euro EIS for stabilization. No shaky footage here. And the 50MP selfie camera? This is where Oppo flexes its muscles. Selfies look super detailed, and you can even shoot 4K videos, perfect for vloggers and social media lovers. Battery life. Does it last all day? Here's the biggest win: the 600 mAh battery. This means you can go a full day, or more, on a single charge. And if you do need to top up, 80W wired fast charging gets you from 0 to 50% in minutes. There's also reverse wired charging, so you can use your phone to charge other devices. Pretty cool, right? Other features. What's missing? Stereo speakers. White heavy checkmark yes, and they sound great. 3.5mm headphone jack. Crossmark nope. Time to switch to wireless. NFC. White heavy checkmark yes, so you can use contactless payments. Infrared port. White heavy checkmark yep. Control your TV and other devices. Should you buy it? So, is the Oppo Reno 13 worth it? If you're looking for a sleek, powerful phone with great cameras, a premium display, and long battery life, this is a fantastic choice. However, if you're someone who needs a headphone jack or a microSD card slot, you might have to think twice. For 30,999 Indian rupees, it's a solid deal, but what do you think? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments.